What's up, my photo booth family? Drew here. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to upload your own custom digital props into Luma Booth. If you're a photo booth operator, you need to utilize the digital props if it's something you're offering. So before we get into the video, I do want to mention that we do sell our own digital props for Luma Booth. We sell them in packs. You can get them for as low as $3, digital download, link in the description. And if you do want to get started with Luma Booth, we have a discount code for you to sign up. You pay for the year. Right now it's $195. Once you do that, send me an email at photobooth101info@gmail.com. I will send you the link to our Luma Booth group chat for support, help, networking, all of that down there. And without further ado, let's get the iPad on and let me show you how to upload your own digital prop. Let's go. First step is make sure Luma Booth is closed. If you save the prop that you want to use while Luma Booth is open, you will not be able to select it. This is just something I've learned. So we make sure it's closed, and now we're going to go make sure that we have the file here that we want to save. So it's already saved to the iPad. I recommend if you have the file on your computer, you can, if you have a MacBook, you can AirDrop it, or you can send an email to yourself, open it up on the iPad and save it there. So another way to do it is I like to go ahead and click that button up top, then go to Save to Files. We're going to put here, I'll just put digital prop. That way I know you guys can see me save it. So, all right, 1 second. So prop. Now we're going to go up top right where it says save. Boom, just like that. Let's go ahead and minimize that, close it out. We're going to open up Luma Booth. We'll just go to launch event. We'll do it to this one here. Drop down menu up top right where you see that arrow pointing down. Just give it a second. All right, so now we want to go to where it says stickers, because stickers is Luma Booth's version of digital props. That's just what they call it. Okay, so you'll probably see it like this, right? When you go to it, you'll see this. This is what you'll see. These are the actual props that are available. So we're going to turn it on. Then we're going to try to upload that file where it says default. Go to custom. Then where it says underneath stickers, where it says choose, click choose. I like to go to recents because we already saved it. Boom, just right there, right? Where it says digital prop. We're going to go open. And then now we could use this one. Let's go to choose. Let's just say these are other ones I want to do. I want to just upload nothing but my custom props. I can select these extra ones here. So if it's a wedding, we can custom make it. We're going to go to open. Boom. Now we have all of these props here. So now let me go ahead and hit the drop down menu. We're going to launch event so you guys can see what we have here. So launch event. And again, by the way, my iPad is not in the photo booth. It's just in my hands. So the photos will look like this. I also have the artificial background on, but I just want you guys to see what it looks like without it. With the props. All right, one more second. This is pretty good with no extra lighting. Okay, now it's going to bring us to the filters. We're going to skip. Now we have these props. Look, these are the props that we uploaded. So boom, you can add all of these here. You can pinch it, move it. How cool is that? So now you have digital props for your photo booth. So right here is an example of what you can do with this feature, right? Uploading your custom props. The theme for this wedding was Star Wars, and you can see we used the bride and the groom's head, and then also some Star Wars characters to really just kind of make this photo booth Star Wars themed as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, make sure to follow us, not just for videos like this, but videos to grow your business and expand. And if you do want to get started in the photo booth rental business, go to photobooth101.com, photobooth101.com. Also, if you want to buy our digital props for Luma Booth, go down below. You'll see what we have to offer. So thank you so much. God bless. See you soon.